I'm George Banks, otherwise known as This One. I'm a street artist based in London. Came to Craven College when I was 15, 16. Left, came back again when I was 25, left, and then became a street artist after moving to London. My art normally is black and white predominantly, very much a tattoo style image. If you look at a tattoo when it's first drawn, it looks like one of those, but 18 foot tall. My old tutor actually gave me my first graffiti book, who still works here, Dawn. She came along, she gave me that book and it started the entire thing. I didn't know about painting letters like that. So when we had the opportunity to work with The Guardian and come up north, the first place I thought of was Craven. If I hadn't gone into the street art world and started putting my work on the streets, no one would know who I was. So I went to 10, 15 countries, painted hundreds of walls to get noticed. And it's hard, But keep doing it, don't stop, just do it. As soon as you get good enough and people trust you enough, then that's when the ball starts rolling for you and you're gonna have a great time.